Question 14. Gavin, Harry and Isabel each earn the same monthly salary. So they get paid the same amount of money each month. Each month, Gavin saves 28% of his salary and spends the rest of his salary. Harry spends 3/4 of his salary and saves the rest. The amount of salary Isabel saves to the amount of salary she spends is in the ratio 3:7. Work out who saves the most of their salary each month. You must show how you get your answers. So we're looking at a methodical approach to working out who saves the most of their salary. So to start off, I've got Gavin, Harry and Isabel. Let's just get the proportion of their own salary that they saved. If Gavin saves 28% of his salary, I can put 28% here. That's how much of his salary he saves. Harry spends 3/4 and saves the rest, so he must be saving 1/4. And Isabel, the amount she saves to the amount she spends is in the ratio 3:7. So really interested in that 3. That's the amount she saves. What I need to do is get all these numbers into the same format. Fractions, decimals, percentages, it doesn't matter, but they need to be in the same format. Because of this one, the Isabel's, I'm going to put them into fractions to start with and see how that looks. So 3 out of 3 to 7 means there's 10 parts, so she's saving 3/10 of her salary. 3 shares are being saved, 7 shares are being spent. 1/4 is already a fraction, so I can leave that like that. And 28% means 28 out of 100. To compare them, I need to get the number on the bottom of the fraction to be the same. I'm going to leave this as 28 over 100. I know 4 goes into 100 25 times. I also know 1/4 is 25%, so that's 25 over 100. 10 goes into 100 10 times, so this one will be 30 over 100. Notice 30 over 100 will simplify down to 3/10. Work out who saves the most. It's this one, isn't it? So it's Isabel. There were other ways of doing this question. I could have converted them to percentages back here or to decimals, but this way hopefully was something that makes sense. And don't forget, if you're finding these videos helpful, please subscribe.